Hello everyone, in this video we learn how to get all the MS Word tricks by just clicking one key. So for getting all the MS Word shortcut keys, you just need to press Alt plus F8. When we press this option, then macros option open in front of us. And then we click on Word command. And then after this, in macro name option, we just search list commands. As you see, I write list and then click on list command and run option and just OK. Then you see all the keys visible in front of you, and these keys are the top secrets and the very important tricks of the MS Word. As you see, it depends upon the 10 pages. So you learn from these keys one by one. For more videos, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family.